Hi there, I want to take you through the Radiology Department or Radiology Module. I want to show you how to check on requests from the doctor, then how to post them, and how then post the results back to the doctor. So what you can do, you can have like you can go to Department of Billing here. You can go to Department of Billing. Then you can go to Radiology, or maybe you call it X-ray. In our case here we have Radiology. In my radiology, you can see I have waiting list here. So these are the patient. This will show you the patient on the waiting list, or the patient who are sent by the doctor to have some maybe some procedures or some tests done. So if I double click on this Syhos patient here, I just double click. Then here you can see request. This one showing in pink, this color here. If I click on this request here, I'll be able to see what the doctor want the patient to have done. For example, here I have forearm AP, or maybe I have foot AP. So I'll just need to select all here. I'll just need to select, then I save and close here. You can see save and close here, because these are not inventories. We don't need to select stores. It's not very important, because these are just procedures. They are not stock or maybe inventory items. So I'll just select them and save and close. There is no item selected, so I just need to select that and I save and close. On saving and close, you can see now it's a bill. So this one means it's now posted to the cashier. Before you post here, this is not sent to the cashier. This is just a request from the doctor. So for it to be sent to the cashier, you have to select all, then save and close. Now immediately you save and close, this one goes to the cashier. So this is now a bill. So you can post all, then you can continue and do your service. So if I go, for example, to the cashier's module here, I'll be able to see my Syhos patient as a patient sent by the cashier. You can see here we have Syhos patient. You can see the test, foot arm and APM. But now this one is a credit patient, so we don't expect to receive cash immediately. This one is going to be sent to the insurance. You can see the invoice here. So this is the invoice number here. So this patient is not expected to make payment immediately. For a patient whose payment is expected immediately, the system will tell you, please request for the patient to make payment. So the system does not expect you to continue doing the service before the payment is done. So if I have a cash patient, I'll have to have the payment done first. Sometimes the patient can just come in, maybe for example like a walk-in, or maybe the patient was booked by the receptionist, then sent to your department for the service. So what you need to do, sometimes the patient can just come, they tell you the problem, so you feel like they need to have maybe this test done. So what you need to do is just to come here and do the billing yourself. So you can do quick find, or you can just feed the bill here. For example, you see all the bills are here. They already are done here. So for example, you can pick like this one here. So pick this one, then you save. Or you can do quick find. If you click quick find, then you can search the service that you need. For example, I need foot. For example, this foot AP. Let's say I need this one, or those. I just select it, then I save. But this one seems to be an inventory item, so this one is not a service. So just go back. Let's say for example I need a knee. I just type knee. I can see knee joint X-ray. I select that one. That's a service. Then I save it. So this one is sent directly to the invoice, or to the cashiers in case it's a cash patient. So then I can go ahead and do my test. So that's how we go about doing billing for the patient in the radiology department. For example, you can add a bill by mistake, so you can be able to void it. Just click on activity, then you can say void. You can see void here, void transaction, or you can just click on the bill itself. You right click, then you say void. So the system will require you to enter your username and password. So definitely you must have rights to void for you to be able to void. So I can say my username, then I enter my password, and then say okay. Then I need to give a reason for voiding. Why am I voiding this? So I need to give a valid reason as to why I'm doing this voiding. So for example, I can say a wrong detect test or maybe wrong procedure, like that. So I can say yes, and now the service is gone, the procedure is gone. So you can void as many as you want, as long as you have right to void. This multi-voids allows you to void like several procedures or tests at the same time. If I click on that one, then I can be able to select, like for example, I can select all of them at once, then apply to allow me to void all of them. So that's how we go about it in Radiology Department. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.